Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install BackBox Linux 9 on VirtualBox. So first download BackBox Linux ISO file. So go to backbox.org. This is the official website. Scroll down, click on BackBox Linux. See, it is a penetration testing and security assessment oriented Linux distribution, providing a network and system analysis toolkit. Click on download. See here, BackBox Linux 9. This is the latest version and also its size is 6.1 gigabytes. See here the message, set the donation field to 0 if you want to download the file for free, but please consider making donation to sustain the project. So see, the default is 5 euros. You can select currency in your own format, then donate some amount. If you can't donate, just give 0 and select the torrent or ISO. Then select the mirrors, then click on download. Okay, I'm going with ISO download, then click on download. Go to downloads. See here, download started. Its size is 6.1 gigabytes. I'm cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. Okay, close it. Now open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox on your machine, then there is a link in the video description. You can go through it and you can install it. Open Oracle VirtualBox, new, then give the name BackBox VM9. This is the virtual machine name. Then select the folder to store this virtual machine files and folders. Select other, then select the folder. Then select the downloaded ISO file. Then select type as Linux, subtype as Ubuntu, version 64-bit, then hardware. I'm giving 4 gigabytes. Number of CPU processors to hard disk I'm giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on finish. See, still if you want edit settings, right click and select settings, or machine and select settings, or click on settings. All three options are same. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on start to install the BackBox 9 Linux on VirtualBox. Now select the first option, that is try or install BackBox, and hit enter. See, cursor is grayed out. If you want to release cursor, just press right control on your keyboard. See, cursor is released. See, this is just for trial purpose, but if you want to install BackBox Linux permanently, right click and select execute. Then select the language and continue. Then keyboard language, select it and continue. Now see the here options, updates and other softwares. I don't want to download updates, so unselect it, and I want to install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware and additional media formats. So select it and click on continue. It is up to you. So click on continue. See, now it is preparing Ubuntu drivers. Now installation type, erase disk and install BackBox, and click on install now. This is confirmation. Write changes to disks, yes, continue. Then select the location on this globe. Okay, or you can search here also. So I'm okay with that, this location. Click on continue. Then here we have to create our setup user. So I'm giving username as RTSchools. Then provide the computer name. I'm giving BB9VM. Then username is this one. We can change this computer name or hostname later. Okay, then provide the password. Then click on continue. See, installation has been started. This may take time. See, welcome to BackBox. BackBox equals to Ubuntu plus hacking tools. Okay, I'm pausing this video, and at the end it will ask us to reboot the system. See, installation has finished. Now click on restart now. Now provide password and hit enter. See, before we were having install BackBox Linux icon on desktop, but now it is gone. Now click on application menu. See, here we have different applications for penetration testing. If you click on all applications, you can see a number of applications. Okay, you can search for whatever you want. Now open terminal, search for terminal. See, here we have the terminal emulator. Click on it. Now increase the font, edit, preferences, appearance, select it, close it. Now verify the version of the BackBox we have installed. more/etc os-release, hit enter. See, we have installed BackBox Linux 9 and its version is 24.04 noble. So now the first step after connecting to BackBox is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update && sudo apt upgrade, hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, type and hit enter. This may take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install BackBox Linux 9 on VirtualBox. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.